Ladies and gentlemen, can you put your hands together as we welcome Mr. Bryan?
Thank you very much, thank you. My name is Bryan Sombong. I'm actually a child from the soil, that is Bambili. So, the studio is located at Three Corners, Bambili, just beside the university. So, from there, that's where I became so much popular. So, I have so many services I do offer, starting from videography, photography, picture enlargement, and graphics designing. So we also offer courses. If you are ready to come learn, we are waiting for you. We are not expensive, so it's better go to have a skill rather than sitting. You may not depend only on education, but try to have a skill. I'm also a student, level 3 student. I'm studying computer engineering. So with the photography, I believe I must make it.